Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. US-based tech giant Meta says it has restored service to its platforms after an outage Tuesday morning. But with a number of Caribbean businesses relying heavily on the platforms, experts say businesses must move beyond social media. Javon Keys reports.
Outage tracking website Down Detector says more than 500,000 Facebook users reported issues logging on or accessing the site as of mid-morning Tuesday. Instagram and Threads were also down for some users due to what the company says was a technical issue, a big blow for some businesses.
So if you're in the Caribbean and you only have Meta, that means you're not selling any products today. And that also means you've lost all communication with your entire audience base.
Repeat trauma after a 6-hour outage on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp in 2021 due to an upgrade glitch. Karen Rose is a digital strategist based in Trinidad and Tobago.
Facebook, Instagram are pretty much the two social media platforms that every business in the Caribbean focuses on. And the impacts that these outages have, the majority of the Caribbean businesses across the region do not have things like their website, which is their most important digital asset. They don't have an email list, which is another channel that they can communicate to their subscribers on. And they also don't have things like a push notification list.
Digital literacy specialist Kadia Francis says companies have to move beyond social media.
It's where awareness happens, it's where visibility happens, and it comes down to engagement, and then influence happens. And what happens after influence is that you're supposed to be trafficking people away from social media to your converting platforms after you execute your nurture sequence and you qualify that lead if you can through features like DMs.
She says they need deliberate strategies to move business from social media platforms to their website and eventually converting them to actually making a purchase. Mr. Rose agrees.
It's mandatory for every single Caribbean business to have an e-commerce ready website. And if you don't want to have your own website, you need to be able to join any one of the digital marketplaces that are available in Jamaica or in your country.
Shore up all your channels, your online channels, and make sure that your offline channels matches up to the expectation and the experience of your customer, because you want to be visible in both channels and you want that customer to be satisfied no matter how they're contacting you and how they're engaging you.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $156.38. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.37. The pound is going for $198.36, while the euro is selling for an average $171.75. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 670 points today, while the junior market lost less than a point. Among the 43 winners, Caribbean Cream, Lumber Depot, JMMB Group 7% variable Jamaican dollar shares, Mail Pack, and Jamaican Teas. The 43 losers were led by T-Tech, The Lab, Jetcon Corporation, Key Insurance Company, and Cargo Handlers. 17 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading on Tuesday. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.